Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the CSIR NET 2011 question. So question from inner product space. So let's take a look at it. It says that let J be a primitive fifth root of unity, and I am defining a matrix A, and for a vector V from R5, define this mod V of A. This is the square root of modulus VA V transpose. Okay, and then if W is given this, then what is this quantity, this mod WA, whatever it is. Okay, so let's see the solution here. Okay, so here this matrix A is given, right? Now according to the definition of this definition, if I just do that accordingly, then my W is given this, right? My W is given this. Then what can I do is simple. Just I calculate this quantity, this mod of WA, that's square, because it's square root, right? So I bring out the quantity of the square. So this is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and under this matrix and this 5 cross 1 vector. Okay, I just simply multiply these quantities, so I get this J to the power minus 2 minus of J inverse 1 J and J square. This is the 5 cross 1 matrix, and I have here, what I have here is 1 cross 5. Okay, matrix. So I just multiply them both, then I got this thing, right? And now since J is a fifth root of unity, that means J power 5 is 1, and if J power 5 is 1, that means that 1 plus J square plus J cube plus J power 4, that is simply 0, right? That is simply 0. So this is our answer. So if I check the option here, so the first is the right option. Thank you for watching, and if you need more concepts about inner product space and CSIR NET, more questions or tifr whatever, so you can comment below. I'll be posting those ones as well. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe as well. Thank you.